Good morning, students. In the previous class, we have completed the last 28th question syllables. Okay, have you done the exercise of the box, last one? Okay. If you have written in that notebook, okay, after you start the next language skills related question number 13 is spelling, and also it is also called missing letters. Okay, same 10 questions are given in the examination. We have to write any 8. Each question carries half mark. Totally, this is also a 4 marks question. Okay. Uh, a good command over English spelling plays a crucial role in our career. Okay, in English writing system, we have 4 language skills. What are the language skills? 4. What are they? Language skills. 4. Those are LSRW. L for what? Listening. S for speaking. R for reading. And W for writing. So, writing system, the fourth one, writing system is very, very important in the presence of the examination and while in the other written communication, letter, others, any. So, a good command over English spelling plays a crucial role in our career also. Correct spelling shows our accuracy and discipline in learning. This helps us present our answers in a correct manner. Okay, correct spelling shows our accuracy. If you write a letter to the higher official or authorities, that letter consists of full of spelling errors. How is that letter? How is the impression by officials then? You next, if you write full of errors, you know perfect answer, but your answer is full of spelling errors. Can you get good marks? Full marks? No. That's why correct spelling shows our accuracy and discipline in learning. This helps us present our answers in a correct manner. Errors in spelling shows inadequate learning. In our learning, if you have committed spelling errors, that is not adequate learning. It is inadequate. It is not proper learning. Next, the student who writes misspelled words usually scores less marks. That's why in the examination point of view, if a student writes misspelled words in the examination, he get very less marks. If his spellings are very correct, he will get good marks. Otherwise, he get less marks. So, spelling plays a vital role in written communication. That's why the spelling role plays a vital role, an important role in written communication. But problems with the English spelling. Why these type of problems facing in the English in the communication written communication system? When comparing the other languages, Hindi and Telugu, some other languages, but English we have problems. Why we are facing this type of problems? Here, listen. Unlike all other languages, the English writing system is not close to its pronunciation. Unlike all other languages, in English writing system is not close to its pronunciation. You know how many letters are there in our Telugu? Telugu 56. In Hindi 49. But in English just 26 letters. One letter may give the more than one sound. One sound may shows more than one letter. This type of gap and here writing system and pronunciation system is not close here. For example, but but put same. Here the pronunciation are, here u. The same letter gives the different sound. Again, ch, character, the sound is cha. Chapter, cha. Here ka, sorry. Here cha, same letter. Car, car, cinema, C, the same letter. Here give different sounds. This type of differences confused the students while writing the spelling and words. So, this is the main problem and important one. one letter can correspond to many sounds, and one sound can be written by more than one letter in different words. This is the main problem. Next, there are 26 letters that correspond to 44 sounds. In English, we have how many letters? 26. But these 26 letters gives the 44 sounds. In the course of history, the English language adapted a number of words from all other languages. Many of these words have affected the spelling pattern. Already we have studied while learning the silent letters. So many European words are, English is borrowed so many European words. Germany, Japan and Latin, Greece, etc. Those have its own eccentric spelling. This is the main problem. So many of these words affected the spelling pattern also, the silent letter system. And these adapted words. And the presence of silent letters in English words further complicates the spelling system. In the following up, silent letter system also further complicates our spelling system. For example, psychology begin with the P, but we should not write P. Some exceptions. H is the silent in honor, hour, etc. But history we should write. These type of exceptions and rules also complicates our spelling system. So students are confusing and making the mistakes. Next, though there are some rules to govern the spelling system, they have a few exceptions. We have some rules to govern the spelling system, but they have a few exceptions. Okay, that's why we have facing some problem. In page number 239, we have some spelling rules. Okay, first you should write in new page this introduction. After that, in page number 239, you write some spelling rules and you read advance. I will explain tomorrow class. Okay, thank you.